Ayush,
Huh?
do you have a bat?
Yes, I have.
Ayush, do you have a cap?
Yes, I have.
Do you have a bag?
Yes, I have.
Do you have a car?
Yes, I have.
Do you have a clock?
No, I have.
Do you have a clock? No, I don't have. Do you
No,
have
I don't have.
Do you have a clock?
No, I don't have.
Do you have a pencil?
No, I don't have.
Do you have a shirt?
Yes, I have.
Do you have a teddy bear?
No, I have. Yes, I have.
Yes, I have. Do you have a teddy bear?
Yes, I have.
Do you have a ball?
Yes, I have.
जर तुझ्याकडे एखादी वस्तू नसेल तर मग काय म्हणशील?
No, I don't have.
नो आय डोंट हॅव. अगेन आता एखादी वस्तू आहे मग काय म्हणशील?
I don't have.
नसल्यावर असल्यावर काय म्हणायचं? यस आय हॅव.
don't have.
असल्यावर काय म्हणायचं? यस आय हॅव.
Yes, I have.
आणि नसलं तर
No, I don't have.
नो आय डोंट हॅव. व्हेरी गुड. आता पुन्हा विचारतो तुला. डू यू हॅव अ बॅट?
Yes, I have.
डू यू हॅव अ कार?
No, I have.
नो आय डोंट हॅव. डू यू हॅव अ कार?
Yes, no, I have.
नो आय डोंट हॅव. डू यू हॅव अ कार?
No, I don't have.
ओके. डू यू हॅव अ टेडी बियर?
Yes, I have.
I have a pen. I have a pencil. I have 2 pencils. I have 2 hands. I have 2 eyes. I have 10 marble. I have toys. I don't have a car. I don't have a pencil. I don't have a notebook. I don't have a water bottle.